What's up, One Ton Fishing Club fans? I don't know why I'm yelling. I'm excited, I guess. Josh and I, my fellow 1 ton clubber, we went down to a local spot that we normally fish. Water was super low. I guess the winter draw is on for us here too. And currently the ice bowl is going on over at Kerr Lake. The spot we were fishing is a tributary, feeds into it. We figured it'd be close, but we didn't put 2 and 2 together with the downpours we had last night of rain. So we're gonna go try to find some water without a bunch of trash and bottles and sticks and leaves and other kind of crazy stuff floating down the river, prohibiting us from fishing no matter how much weight we put on our lines anyway. So now we're gonna go hit it up, try to catch some carp. I made a carp bait, some of that panko, Kool-Aid, corn and cream corn mix. Saw a YouTube video on it, so I figured we'd try it. Try to get some multi-species. Maybe we can catch some catfish with it too. Got some night crawlers to try out. When we get set up, before we cast in, I'll show you our gear. We don't have anything fancy. And our setups and how we tie our knots and stuff like that. So, see you there.
Good morning, how y'all doing? This is Josh, 1 Ton Fishing Club. We are going to do a little fishing this morning, and I'm kind of looking forward to it because I think we're going to try to catch some carp while we're catfishing. So, this is exciting. Also, I'm experimenting. I've got a 15-foot rod from Bass Pro Shops that I have put a pin, used to be level wind reel on it, that I've taken the level wind off of it, not on. And I'm gonna try to do an old Catfish Dave setup and see if I can get a little bit more distance out of my cast. So kind of excited to try that. I hope I don't mess up my reel. Ready? Catch a swing. Oh yeah. But it is what it is if it does. So we'll see what happens. I'll come back at you guys later once we get set up, and hopefully, if we catch some fish. I would really like to catch some fish on video. That would be sweet. Or period. I would really like to just catch some fish. So, all right, deuces.
All right, fellers and gals, we're back at the new spot. So I told you I was gonna show you my setup. A 5-ounce egg sinker, a bead to protect the knot around the swivel. Just got a swivel, my leader line, down to a snelled 5/0 eagle claw hook, 80-pound slime line leader line, cut brim or sunfish, whatever you want to call them, bluegill. Polymer knots at the swivel and a no snell knot on the hook. So we're gonna cast them out. I'll get back to you. We'll be back with you if we get a hit or a fish. All right, second setup. 3-way swivel, 30-pound Cajun line is my main line. I believe this is 10-pound line that I got my weight on, and then for the other swivel going to the live bait is 30-pound clear as well. Same kind of knots. I do polymers all at the swivel.
Is that one of them breakaway setup?
And snell knot on the hook.
This spot looks pretty awesome. Relatively calm water. It's a little windy today. You can see I got my homemade catfish bobber. Sweet. And we actually have a little spillway over here. Got a log in the water. Just looks like a nice fishy spot. Maybe we'll catch something today. What do you think, Art? Think we'll catch anything?
Yes, positive vibes.
Positive vibes. Or positive. POS. Tiv. Positive.
We're back at the Kerr Lake, Bugs Island, whatever you want to call it. It's a little backwater, kind of by the marina. What's up, Josh?
Hi.
Hi.
Make them beans.
It's pretty, got a little bit of wind. I'd say about 10, 12 mile an hour.
Say 120 mile an hour.
No bites yet. 2 middle rods, got the carp bait on. Got a live bluegill on the left. And some cut bait on this, on my 10-footer. 10-foot tsunami surf rod.
Oh, come on, take it, baby, take it. He's getting ready to run. Well, that's not the view we want people to have. There you go. You got him? Oh, yeah, you do. That's right, Art. What do you got, man? What do you got?
Little guy. Got us a little catfish. You don't know he's hooked yet.
Yeah, it might be a monster. What do you got? Is it a channel?
Little blue.
Oh, little blue. Oh, yeah. That is channel. Yeah. Nice job, dude. That's an eater right there, buddy. Heck yeah.
And I got my bait.
Nice.
How you doing?
That's probably what just bit mine a minute ago, too. The channel. Heck yeah. You gotta throw him on the string.
Come on, boss, open up. So whenever you open your mouth,
Struggle is real. There you go.
there we go.
Yeah.
Say hey!
Hey, how you doing, huh?
Hey!
Oh yeah, he coming in for you, Artie Farty. Oh yeah, oh that's a nice one. Catch him. He going right towards that log, dude. Pull it out. What you got there? You think it's another channel? And almost, it hit it almost like a striper the way it went for that log out there. That's fine. If I need to pull mine in, I will. I don't care. Good. Is he pulling? It might be a carp. You never know. Oh yeah, he's swimming around. Hopefully he's gonna come up. What is it? Is that blue?
Yeah, he's decent.
Oh yeah, buddy. Nice blue. Oh, be careful. Be careful. You're only making me nervous a little. Yeah, that's a nice one, buddy. Good job. Another eater. Woohoo! Man, Art is killing him today with that small bait bite. What? Oh yeah.
Ow!
Is he biting you? Well, now we know there's blues in this area.
Ow!
You got it all right?
I have to get some needle nose.
Whew. Look at you, Art. Yeah, man. Oh, that's a real nice one. Look at that thing, huh? But where was that? Dang, I have to leave in a few minutes. It's craziness. Oh yeah, that's a pretty fish right there.
I wish he'd quit biting me.
Well, that's a good way for you to toughen up your nipples.
My nipples?
Yes, your nipples.
Not bad, a little blue dong. No, it's a blue cat out of the Kerr Lake. I bet you the tournament guys wish they had this one.
Yeah, it might be the winner.
Winner, catfish dinner.
That's right.
This guy's gonna live to see another day. I want him to get bigger. He's a little too big, I think. Hefty fish, I bet. I bet he's about 15, 16, 17.
Yeah.
Here we go. Bon voyage.
Let him go. Let him go. Yeah. Well, that was a nice gentle release.
All right, let's see how this works out. I'm gonna try throwing the net. I don't know how this camera angle is or whatever, but we shall see. Success. Well, that's all the fun we're gonna have today. Overall, it was a fun day. Josh had to leave early to go up to a men's retreat, well, men's advance dinner, a little worship service. I wish I could go, but I'm on call this weekend, unfortunately. So I stayed maybe an hour more, no more bites. The bite was dead. That window from 10 to 12 died real quick. Got to throw the net around just to do a little bit of something to keep warm. So, but another fun time at Kerr Lake. Gotta love it. Again, I don't like heavy current, especially after a rainstorm.